Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you garden decor ideas. So viewers, let's start my YouTube channel. So viewers, friends, paint flower pot, paint all pots with bright color. Use simple design like darts, flower linings. You can also write small quotes, colorful and fresh. Hanging bottle planter. Use plastic bottles as planter. Cut bottles from middle. Add soil and small plants. Hanging with drops, small space. Garden lantern. Make lantern using jar or tin. Put candles for fairy lights inside. Decorate with jute or paint. Look warm and cozy at night. And friends, and viewers, the friends, next idea is old chair planter. Turn old chair into plant holder. Remove seats, plates, pot in center. Look vintage, tall. And friends, viewers, I hope you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, see you